Hello everyone, this is your Weather on the Fly outlook and discussion for Friday, May 1st, 2026. Update concerning convective outlook days 4 to 8. Valid for Monday, May 4th through Friday, May 8th, 2026. An upper trough will develop southward across the northern plains and upper Midwest on Monday. At the same time, another upper trough will be oriented over Southern California and offshore over the Pacific. In response to modest high falls and increasing westerly flow across the Rockies, a lead low will develop over the central southern high plains. Increasing southerly low-level flow will allow modified Gulf moisture to return northward ahead of a dry line across the southern plains, and to the south of a cold front developing southward across the central plains and upper Mississippi Valley. Isolated strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible within the narrow moist warm sector ahead of these surface boundaries, particularly the cold front across parts of the Missouri and mid-Mississippi Valley, as capping may persist further south across the southern plains. Given modest boundary moisture with north and east extent across the Midwest, it is uncertain how robust convection may be and where the most favorable area for severe storms may develop, precluding adding any delineation areas at this time for Monday. By Tuesday, the jet associated with the eastward advancing southwest U.S. trough will begin to phase with the upper trough over the north-central U.S. This will bring strengthening southwesterly flow to portions of the southern plains and mid-south vicinity, while southwesterly low-level flow continues to transport Gulf moisture north-northeastward ahead of a southeastward advancing surface cold front. The warm sector will become increasingly narrow toward the lower Ohio Valley, and any strong to severe thunderstorm potential would likely focus from parts of Texas into Arkansas and far western Tennessee, Kentucky. However, model guidance varies with regard to placement and extent of potential convection ongoing Tuesday morning, which will have implications for severe potential through the rest of the day. Differences in the location of the surface front also add uncertainty, precluding adding any delineation areas at this time. Some strong to severe thunderstorm potential could persist into Wednesday across parts of the lower Mississippi Valley and southeastern U.S. This remains uncertain and will be influenced by convective evolution in the days prior. The surface cold front is expected to move offshore the east coast on Thursday. Thunderstorm potential will continue ahead of the front across the southeast to the mid-Atlantic, but severe potential is uncertain as destabilization may be limited by widespread rainfall and cloud cover. On Friday, most of the U.S. will be stable and dry behind the cold frontal passage. However, guidance suggests a shortwave upper trough will approach the southern Rockies and northern Mexico, and surface cyclogenesis will maintain a moist air mass across Texas. If this occurs, some severe potential could develop across parts of Texas. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for the latest Storm Prediction Center outlooks.